Tornado watch continues across all of North Texas until 8 o'clock tonight. Right now, the Metroplex is fairly quiet. This western side of Tarrant County, you are now under a severe thunderstorm warning. We have one heck of a thunderstorm in Tarrant County right now. Golf ball size hail has been reported. It's been confirmed in Tarrant County, or I should say in Parker County, golf ball size hail. So Parker, Tarrant, and this southern section of Wise, this sliver of Wise County, including Rome, you're under that thunderstorm warning until 4 o'clock. Now remember, anytime in North Texas, many municipalities, when there's a tornado watch in effect, like there is right now for all of North Texas, and a severe thunderstorm warning, that triggers the storm sirens in many areas. They're not tornado sirens anymore. That was when I was a kid. That's been 100 years ago. Now they're storm sirens. They're sounded for large hail, damaging large hail. They're also sounded for 60 to 70 plus mile-an-hour winds, and certainly they're sounded for tornadoes. So no longer tornado sirens, they're now storm sirens. Keep that in mind if you have sirens going off in your community. And right now, I do know that in Hudson Oaks, Willow Park, and Aledo, there are alerts that are going out to those communities. So again, there's the warning that's in effect. I want to zoom in right now into Parker. So this is just north of Weatherford. And I mean, we have a heck of a thunderstorm with a little bit of a notch right now on this storm. So let's show you that on our tower cam. We have a classic supercell thunderstorm out here. This is we have the rain and the hail as we move this camera around just a little bit, the rain and the hail there. And as we go back to that, I want to put a track on this storm because as that storm moves off to the west, moving to the east, I should say, at about 45 to 50 miles an hour, the forward speed, this thing is just racing along. It'll be in Springtown. It's there now. Azle 338, Briar 342, Pecan Acres 346, River Oaks 350, Saginaw 351, downtown Fort Worth 357. So that's not too far away. Haltom City 359, Keller 402, Roanoke 406, Bedford 408, and in South Lake at 411. When it arrives, I'm looking at some really, really large hail. Golf ball size up to ping pong ball size hail is a possibility with this storm. Right now, I'm getting some reports of a 3-inch, 2 to 3 inch size. Meteorologist Jesse Huila. Jesse, check my chart. 3-inch in diameter hail. That's the size of. That's baseball size. Yeah, so we're looking at tennis ball to baseball size hail with this supercell thunderstorm that's in central Parker County. We've moved our camera around just a bit. This is the base of the thunderstorm, this supercell thunderstorm that towers up over 40,000 feet above the surface. We're looking at a thunderstorm, a severe thunderstorm in Jack, Montague, Wise County. This is northern Wise County. This is in effect, this thunderstorm warning until 4:15. And these are the supercells that have originated off of a dry line back to the west of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, western sections of North Texas. A second line of storms forming along that cold front. So there we are. Metroplex covered up with thunderstorms at 5 o'clock, not 100% coverage, but thunderstorms right now in the Metroplex 4 to 5 o'clock. Here's the timing at 6 o'clock. They become even more widespread by 6 o'clock. 7 o'clock, the cold front has passed by DFW. Once the cold front moves through your location, the severe threat will end abruptly. But look at the thunderstorms at 7. At 8 o'clock, there's the activity. At 9 o'clock, from Mahia to Athens to Tyler to Gilmer to Mineola. And then by 10 o'clock, North Texas is in the clear. But we are looking at right now very large hail with these thunderstorms across the area. In Weatherford, I'm getting confirmed reports of golf ball, close to tennis ball size hail. That's confirmed on the north side of Fort Worth right now. And then here's what happens. We're looking at a wind advisory that goes in effect at 5 o'clock tonight. That's for all of North Texas. So strong winds, 20 to 50 mile-an-hour winds, and a freeze in the forecast by Saturday morning. Possible in the Metroplex, most likely for areas to the north. And then Sunday morning, there's where it's most likely, possible across the Dallas-Fort Worth, and then not likely to the south. But remember, I have right now a hail core, a thunderstorm in Montague County that right now appears as though it's producing hail that's the size of 1.5 inches in diameter. So it's not just Parker County, soon to be moving into Tarrant County. Large hail. It's just a couple of thunderstorms. They will create a lot of problems. Make sure you stay with us. WFAA at 4 starts in about 25 minutes. We'll see you then.